In this video, you'll learn how to set up a basic transparent web proxy. You can use the transparent proxy to apply web authentication to all HTTP traffic that's accepted by a firewall policy. In previous versions of FortiOS, web authentication required the explicit proxy. Now, in addition to the explicit web proxy, FortiOS now supports a transparent web proxy, which forwards your users' web traffic to the proxy without requiring your users to reconfigure their browsers or without needing to publish a proxy auto configuration file or PAC file. Note, this is just a basic setup. Other authentication concepts are covered in other recipes, which you can read at cookbook.fortinet.com. First, go to System Settings. Scroll to Operation Settings and set the inspection mode to Proxy. Save the changes. Now go to System Feature Visibility and enable Explicit Proxy. Select Apply. Now go to Network Explicit Proxy and enable Explicit Web Proxy. You can also change the HTTP port that the proxy listens on, the default being 8080, or specify different ports for HTTPS, FTP, PAC, and other options. Apply your changes. Go to Security Profiles, Proxy Options. Create or edit a proxy options profile. Under Web Options, enable HTTP Policy Redirect. Go to Policy and Objects, IPv4 Policy, and create or edit a policy that will control the traffic that you want to apply authentication to. Enable a security profile, in this example, Antivirus, which will enable the proxy options that you edited in the previous step, and SSL SSH inspection. If you created an alternate profile for either of these options, apply it now. Go to Policy and Objects, Proxy Policy, and create a transparent policy to accept the traffic that you want to apply authentication to. Set the proxy type to Transparent Web. The incoming interface, outgoing interface, destination address, and schedule should either match or be a subset of the source addresses defined in the IPv4 policy. You can also add user accounts as sources to determine who is authenticated by the transparent policy. Open a browser and generate traffic for a few minutes. Then go to FortiView Policies. Right-click on a row in the table to drill down for details. You will see that traffic is flowing through the proxy policy. Also, traffic is continuing to flow through the IPv4 policy configured with the proxy security profile. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, click here to subscribe. And you can find a written version of this recipe at cookbook.fortinet.com.